Okay, so today I will try an unattended upgrade of XenServer. So from the current XenServer 8 to CU1 to the latest version to XenServer 8. I do not have a license for that, and if I want to do that automatically, like this rolling pool upgrade, and select the pool and everything, I will not be able to because I don't have the license, and this will not work. So for this for the automatic mode, so I tried it, it will not work. But I was thinking about upgrading with an answer file, and this is the first test. I did not test it before. So in the Citrix article, this is the answer file. This is how it should look like. Where is the article? So this one, and it's just upgrade existing, and here is your source. I don't have any other scripts, and this is why I made the answer file only have those informations. But let's see a live test, so I'm not sure it will work. I will first put everything in maintenance. And also the master, and because I cannot hit F12 when I'm booting up my VM, I need to shut it down. So I will shut down the entire pool. So shut down, yes. And also this one, the master, shut down. Yes, we strongly, but we have to shut it down, yes. Okay, so everything should be down in a few seconds. And I will boot up from the answer file. I'm curious if it will work. Very, very curious. Come on, come on, come on. So, power on firmware. Okay, so we select FE network. We should hit the grab file. Okay, so we are here in the PXE menu, and we just hit install. Let's see if it works. Should not work, but nevertheless, I will try it. Tend to configure a network, okay. Preparing for installation. No way, it cannot work. Searching for repository, it got the repository, backing up existing installation. No way this will work. Okay, so let's see. If this work, then you can do the unattended install even if you do not have the license yet. So of course in a productive environment you will have the license, but I made a video a few days ago or a week ago where I have upgraded from CU2 so from 8.2 CU1 to the newest XenServer, but I had to do that manually, so it put every server in maintenance, and then okay, let's start even more. I don't care if we have an error at the end, but let's boot all of them. because this time I'm not changing the answer file. The answer file will be the same. Okay. If network, yes. And enter. Okay, so let's go back. So it's installing. This is very good. Honestly, I didn't think it will work. I was 100% sure that I would have an error here. But let's see when we reach the end. Backing up existing. Preparing for installation. So this is basically even easier than doing it through the XenServer from my point of view. Nevertheless, I run the preliminary check with the XenServer, and it has installed a package. It was called RPM or something like that, 005. I forgot to tell you about that. So I ran one time the checker, and it applied a hotfix on every host in the pool. But in the last step, it told me that I don't have the license, so I cannot upgrade with this option, with the rolling pool upgrade with the automated update. In the manual update, I had no issues. But let's see how this one goes. I should pause the video for a few seconds until it finishes. Okay, so it's already starting up. So it started with the new version, but let's see if we still have the config and everything. Okay, so it started. Network config looks fine. DNS, okay. NTP, okay. Okay, let me connect via the XenServer. It will probably ask me for the certificate, because this is what's happening when you upgrade or install from 0 to the new version. Okay, no question about the certificate, but nevertheless it's disabled. But let's see how the other one. So this one is done too. Completing installation. So yeah, it was fast, and I believe it's also working. Let's take a look one more time at the answer file. So this is all it contains: installation mode upgrade, existing installation on the SDA, and the source for the ISO files, it's the same as it was in the installation from zero video that I made. So same NFS file. Okay, let's go back to XenServer. Okay, this one is up too. And the last one, okay, perfect. Okay, everyone is up. Let's exit maintenance mode. Exit maintenance mode. Exit maintenance mode. VMs are still there. Well, what can I say? Perfect job. Trial edition doesn't matter, but it has upgraded everything. Default install. Storage. I didn't have anything sophisticated configured. Yeah, so it works also like this. So you don't really need the rolling pool upgrade. And from my point of view, in this way with the answer file, it is much faster because I believe during a pool upgrade, it will upgrade one server at a time. And like this, you can upgrade, I don't know, 10 servers at the same time. Okay, thank you for watching.